In January 1982, an 11-year-long process of design, development and production brought an entirely new and advanced combat aircraft into the front line of the RAF. This was the Tri-National Tornado, a cooperative venture between British, German and Italian manufacturers. For the RAF, the Tornado first reached operational status with No. 9 Squadron at RAF Huntington.
There were two basic Tornado types. The first was the IDS, Interdictor Strike model. The original mark of this version, the GR1, carried two 27mm cannons, one on each side of the forward fuselage. And the aircraft could accept a wide range of other ordnance stowed externally on its 7-weapon hardpoints. In fact, because of the specific role of the RAF Tornadoes in the central region of NATO, most of these aircraft were armed with the JP-233 anti-airfield weapon or with a tactical nuclear device. 229 GR1s, including trainers and the GR1A reconnaissance version, were delivered to the Royal Air Force, equipping squadrons both in RAF Germany and in the UK. All GR1s are optimized for very low-level penetration of hostile defences, being equipped with a self-contained navigation attack system, automatic terrain-following ground mapping radar, and an inertial navigation system. The other version of the Tornado for the Royal Air Force was the ADV model, the Air Defence variant. This became better known as the F Mark III. It was similar to the IDS model. It carried a multi-mode track-while-scan pulse Doppler radar, and in addition to the standard 223mm cannon, it was armed with 4 Skyflash air-to-air missiles and 2 Sidewinders. With an operational ceiling of about 70,000 feet, the Tornado ADV makes an excellent interceptor, particularly when launched against high-flying intruders approaching from long ranges.